Hi, I'm here with Michael White from DrugSafe Communities, and we're going to be talking about their new and innovative franchise model. Hi Michael, thanks for your time.
Hi Richard.
I just want to talk about the franchises, but can we start with a little bit, well really, what does DrugSafe Communities do?
Before I answer that, I'd like to go back to where you're going to end up. When you look back in 5 or 10 years' time, have you created a great legacy in a community program? Is it going to be a great coffee lounge? Is it going to be a great lawn mowing service? Or is it a good accounting service? Or are you going to look back and say, I stopped all of those kids from using drugs and I saved my community? I'd say that's something we all need to be proud of, and that's what drove me into starting this company. I wanted to create the best solution to stop drugs in our community. And I became innovative. For example, mobile testing services. Doing tests on your site but in my own facilities was a great idea.
Michael, what does a DrugSafe Communities franchisee do on a day-to-day basis?
The most important thing is to find your clients. And we can train you to be as highly qualified in drug testing as anyone in the world. But the most important thing is to make sure that you have clients and you service those clients. We'll train you to do this because it's the person who can actually go out and communicate through the chambers, the business chambers. They're the ones that are going to be the person to go to for a solution to a drug-safe solution.
And what are the things that you do to help and support the franchisee's business?
We do policy development, so they've got to be robust enough to stand up in court. They can't be challenged by anybody in their company about that. Secondly, we do education. We talk to their staff and we get all the staff on our side of the table.
One thing that concerns me is there are thousands of franchisee businesses. What makes your model better?
Our success is simply based on the success of our franchisees. We put them first. We actually have a motto saying franchisee first. And if you can make a success of it as a franchisee, we're successful as a franchisor.
Okay. So what are the unique business aspects that make DrugSafe Communities the franchise of choice?
That's easy to answer because we've modelled this on a low entry fee. You can enter this industry at a low cost, get a good return, you make some good profits, but also what we do is we're innovative. We change a lot. We change all the time. We listen to our franchisees. If you need something done, we will do it.
Is there more to the franchise than just testing for drugs?
I've set up very large territories, and that's going to allow you to actually run a business and build a business, not just a job. You're going to find over time that you're going to be subcontracting people to do your drug testing whilst you go out and seek the business. We're going to train you to be a great consultant. You're going to be able to listen to a client, listen to their problems, and then feed that back to them in so much as you'll be policy developing, and then you'll be doing stand-up workshops in front of the staff. We'll assist you with those. We have our own DrugSafe Academy where you'll be able to come and get retrained or upgraded and bring your clients in here.
What sort of person is right for a DrugSafe Communities franchise?
Somebody who's got good emotional intelligence and they're able to talk to people at all levels within their community and also have a passion to become a social leader.
I wonder if I can ask the hard question. Why should people do business with you?
That's easy. Well, I'm a true blue Australian and I've got a passion to actually make this thing work. I know how to because I started it 20 years ago. And 20 years ago I had to learn the hard way. And we've done that now. We've set up the programs that will give you a certification. In fact, the DrugSafe certification program is tried and true. It works. We know that.
One last hard question. Why should I trust you?
Richard, I don't want anyone to take my word for anything, really. I want you to check us out, and you'll find that We've been around 20 years. We've got the knowledge, we've got the experience, we've got the innovative experience of putting things in place when we need to. But also, I was the first person that was NATA accredited in Australia. Come and join us, because we're going to change Australia, Australian industry and Australian communities one life at a time.